Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Help Stock Market Technical Analysis channel. In this video, we are going to talk about what is market capitalization or market cap. Most of the people they will call market cap. So in this video, we are going to see in detail what is market capitalization and what is market cap, how to check, where to check, and what is the use of this, and while selecting the stock, how we have to consider these all these things we are going to talk in this video. So before going to the topic, I request everyone please subscribe our channel. So you will get a lot of technical videos, a lot of strategies, and a lot of updated knowledge. You can update yourself in terms of stock market and technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Market capitalization or market cap. Market capitalization is nothing but the total value of a company, total number of shares multiplied by current share price. As the share price varies from time to time, so market capitalization is also varies from time to time basis on share performance. So if you look at here, the market capitalization, the number of shares into current share price, if we have some crores of shares multiplied with the current share price, we will get market capitalization. So whenever a stock is moving uptrend or downtrend, okay, if it is going downtrend, the stock market capitalization is going to move down. When stock moves up, okay, when stock price goes up, automatically the market capitalization will go up. Lot of time we have seen that, today 5,000 crores burnt in stock market. This kind of news we have seen a lot of times. So because of when stock goes down, even the market capitalization goes down, the company value goes down. A company is divided into number of shares, and this number varies from company to company, okay, based on the company. And while issuing the stock, they will give a number of stocks, and again they will come for IPO. So a lot of things is there here to learn, and the formula is to calculate market capitalization is number of shares into share price, as I told. If you take an example here, ICICI Bank market capitalization is just 150 crores of shares worth is 280 rupees. So I mean they are having 150 crores shares into you have to multiply with 280 rupees, since 280 is the current stock price. So if you multiply, we'll get 42,000 crores is the market capitalization. So in banking sector, this is third bank which is giving more weightage to the bank index. So that's about market capitalization, and we are going to see how to check the market capitalization and where to check the market capitalization. See, for example, here if you take ICICI Bank current stock price is 280 rupees, and SBIN current stock price is 268. The actual market capitalization, if you look into the numbers, ICICI Bank, this is the actual, okay, before we have calculated, just for our understanding, this is 1,64,771.04 crores. This is ICICI Bank market capitalization. When it comes to SBI, it is 2,14,327.80 crores. So if you look at these both things, okay, we should not analyze a stock by looking at stock price. At the same time, by looking at the brand value or something, we should not take judgment. We have to look into the actual numbers, actual figures, how the stock price is moving, and also how many stocks are available, how many shares they issued, multiplied with current stock price. So we will get actual market capitalization. So now we are going to see how to find out or how to check the market capitalization. We are in Money Control website. money control website. Just like we opened ICICI Bank. Okay, if you see here ICICI Bank chart, we can see, and down we have like here is the market capitalization. Okay, this is the market capitalization 1,62,440.04. This is the market capitalization. While selecting a stock, we have to go for a company which is having a very good market capitalization. So along with this, we have complete videos to learn fundamental analysis. Okay, you can understand and you can improve your knowledge on this. And also I'm providing a lot of technical videos, technical analysis videos. Okay, if you guys are interested, you can join to my online trainings to learn some strategies which is giving very good results. And thank you all for watching this video. Please watch complete videos so that you can improve your knowledge, fundamental analysis. Thank you.